Today I'd like to talk to you about Encap-Clean DS2. Release it, Encap-Clean DS2 has set the standard for encapsulation carpet cleaning in the industry straight across the board. It's the one that everyone looks at. It's the one that they compare their products to. Why is that? Well, let's talk about some of the things that make Encap-Clean DS2 so special. To start with, its mix is at 32:1 or 4 ounces per gallon, and it works extremely well at that number. It's one thing to put a number on the jug, it's another thing if it actually performs well on the carpet at that dilution. And as low as 4 ounces per gallon at 32:1, the results are outstanding. So what does that break down to, 32:1? That means that 1 gallon of detergent will actually mix with 32 gallons of water, giving us 33 gallons of usable product. Now I want to put that into perspective for you. Normally we're going to clean at a range of around 300 square feet per diluted gallon of detergent, 300 square feet of RTU. So if we take 300 times the 33 gallons of product that this gallon will produce, that's 9,900 square feet of carpet cleaning per gallon of product. That's a lot of carpet cleaning. Almost 10,000 square feet per single gallon of Encap-Clean DS2, or for a case, nearly 40,000 square feet of carpet that you can clean. But let's step back now. Beyond its ability as far as being concentrated, let's talk about results, because really at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. How does it perform on the carpet? This is where Encap-Clean DS2 really stands out. What you're going to see when you go in and clean a drab, dingy, dull, nasty looking carpet, you're going to see the carpet transition like night and day. You'll see a pop just like that, where the carpet just comes to life again. There's no optical brighteners in this product. What you're seeing is just a natural brightness. The colors of the carpet are coming back as we get rid of the soil load that's there. So you might be wondering, well, how do we do that? How's that accomplished with Encap cleaning? Well, there's really two primary aspects to Encap-Clean DS2. First of all, it's the detergent package. We blended together a detergent package that's highly effective, puts down a light foaming, because it's a shampoo type product, so we want to see a very light whitening on the surface as we're working with it. Don't want to overuse it, just using it very moderately, you're going to see excellent results. So the detergent package is on the one side. On the other side, it's loaded with our Encap polymer. That polymer package that dries down brittle, it really crystallizes in the carpet, is the function that draws soil into the polymer. In fact, it's an oil-loving polymer, so it's just going to suck the soil into that polymer. There's the key. Detergency and the polymeric package working together, that's what makes Encap-Clean DS2 stand out. Now, as it dries down, that fluid, the solution, will now contain the soil, and as it dries brittle. Now keep in mind, that's on a flexible piece of fiber. So as the fiber flexes through foot traffic and normal routine vacuuming, it's naturally going to shear away from the fiber, so the encapsulated soil can be recovered during the normal routine of post-vacuuming. So there you have it. Very briefly, an overview of what makes Encap-Clean DS2 stand out. It's highly concentrated, very efficient, it's safe to use. There's nothing in there that's hazardous to work with. Its cleaning ability is off the charts. Anti-wicking properties. It will absolutely resist wicking, and if you've got, for example, a problem with recurring spill stains, you can knock it out of the park with Encap-Clean DS2. Carpets are actually going to stay clean longer as well. So we've got quite a lot of benefits, and that's why Encap-Clean DS2 is so popular, why it stands out in the industry as a product that everyone loves. Give it a try. It will help you to max your Encap. Thanks for watching.